Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
The home screen shows different cooking modes specially designed for a variety of cooking tasks. System settings are also available on the screen. Tap the settings icon on the top left-hand corner of the home screen. You will find the following menu options under the settings. 0 Scale calibrates the scale with the ceramic pot to 0. Accent Color changes colors within screens. Measurement Units allows you to change between cups, ounces, or grams. Languages allows you to change between English, Spanish, or French.
Sound level adjusts higher or lower sound levels on button sounds, times, and alerts. Software version for latest updates.
Restore default settings to original settings.